Mistake. Are we on?
Yeah.
Okay, we're on. Okay, good. Okay. All right. Yeah, you want to take notes? Yeah, this is work. We're on class. All right, my first video from Abu Dhabi. I'm going to say hello to my students from last year. You guys don't mind? Is that okay? Mickey, I got your request for Facebook. Excellent. I approved you. I didn't want to, but I did. Now, Mickey is interesting. Mickey was he was in the Temptations, and he was also in Michael Jackson video. Okay, Mickey. Long story. They have no idea what I'm talking about. But anyway, that's Mickey and Jair, his brother, twin brother. Kate from Period 8. Hello. Okay. Everybody, hello from last year. Okay. And we have somebody from Sweden right in front of me. Listen to this. We have South Korea, Sweden, Venezuela, Colorado. Colorado really exists. It's excellent. I like that. We have somebody from Japan, and we have somebody from Maryland. Okay? Maryland. And then where else do we have? What do we have here? Romania. Maryland? We have two Maryland people? Really? In one class? Unbelievable. Pakistan, South Korea, Philippines, Oklahoma, a Sooner, like that. Excellent. Yes? My sister-in-law is from Nebraska. She doesn't like the Sooners, okay? Oklahoma football, don't go there. Okay, yes. Pakistan, Virginia, excellent. General Lee, excellent. Yes. Egypt, Greece, unbelievable. Okay, so what we're going to do today, guys, is we're going to look at the chapter test for chapter 1, and it's in the book. Now, this is not a test where you have to be graded, etc. This is simply, we're going to review this, and I'm going to write the problem on the board, and we're going to do it, okay? Now, we're going to do it in more than one part. So this video is going to be chapter 1 test, part 1. Clear? Because I don't want to make an hour-long video, because no one's going to watch it. Okay, so I'm going to do it in parts, okay? And if you're uncomfortable with what we're doing now, you can go home and look at the video. Clear? Am I on camera? Okay, now, so the first one is, it says, evaluate each expression given A equals 2, 2, 3, and 6. A equals 2, B equals 3, and C equals 6. Okay? Now, those are what the variables are, and then the expressions are going to be, I'm going to put 1 through 5 on the board. Okay? And that'll be the end of video part 1. Now the next video, part 2, I won't do the introduction and etc. It'll be a little bit more, it'll be a little quick, a little more quick, a little faster, more faster. How do you say faster in Korean?
Baili.
What is it?
Baili.
Faili. It'll be more faili. Okay, excellent.
Baili.
Bail. How do you say it? I have no idea, but it sounds great. Okay, now, okay, C minus A, 2 is going to be AB. 3 is going to be C divided by A. Now, if you can't see, please take a chair and go wherever you like. It doesn't matter. We're easy, okay? Doesn't matter. You're not tied to your seat. If you can't see, you want to be able to see. Clear? Okay? Somebody want to go over there and sit in that chair? They can do that too. Okay? The best seat in the house, I know. Okay? All right. 4 is going to be C over B. And 5, I'm going to put over here, I'm going to put there, and that's going to be B minus A. B minus A. All right? Now, what's significant here? There's something called a variable. A variable can be, is that all right? Is that better? Oh, I was off camera? Okay, excellent. I have my Egyptian, she's a videographer. Excellent, well done, excellent. Okay. There's something called variables in in algebra, and variables are represented by letters, A, B, C, etc. They can also be represented by Greek letters, alpha, beta, gamma. Theta is a big one for an angle. You put theta. Variables you'll see a lot in algebra. Clear? And a variable can be, generally is an unknown, and you're going to solve for a variable. Clear? Understood? And when we talk about functions, a variable will become very important when we do functions. Clear? Has anybody ever heard the word function? Yeah, they've heard the word function. Excellent. Now, so we're building from the beginning. A function is kind of like an equation. It's a machine. You put in something into the machine grinds it out, makes all kinds of noises. Sometimes it's really scary, the noise. And then something pops out that the machine actually makes. Okay? Yes? Now, in order to understand how a function works, you've got to start at the beginning. Where did Dorothy start on her search for the wizard?
Kansas.
She started. Now, once she got to Oz, she started at the beginning of the Yellow Brick Road, and they made a point of that. Start at the beginning. So the beginning is understanding very basic expressions where you have to plug in variables. Now, I can make these anything you want. I can make it 4, 8, 10. I can make it -2, 25, 30. I can make those variables anything I want. And then this is what you do with them. Okay, so let's do it. We're not going to make a big deal out of this, but this says C minus A. C minus A. So what's the answer? 4. 4 is the answer. What does that say? There's no sign there. It doesn't say any of the basic 4 operations. It doesn't say addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. But if there's no symbol between two variables, it's understood to be multiplication. So that says A times B. And what's A times B? 6. 2 times 3 is 6. Excellent. What's that symbol there? That's one of the 4 basic operation symbols, and that's called divided by. If you look at divided by, you have something there and there. That means it's like a ratio. It's something over something. What's the upper part called? The numerator. And the bottom is called a denominator. Okay? So if I say this is like A over B, okay? Or C over A. Okay? So do you see the similarity between this and this? You see the similarity? You ever think of it like that before?
Yes. No.
No, some did, some didn't. Okay. So, what is C divided by A? C divided by A is the same as 6 divided by 2 is 3. Right?
Yes.
Is that correct?
Yes.
This says C divided by B. This is the same thing as saying C divided by B. C divided by B. Right?
Yes.
So what is C divided by B? C divided by B is what?
1.
What did you say? 1? 2. Is there anybody in here who doesn't understand that? Now, when I say that, I'm not saying it like some teachers will say it. Like, does anybody understand that? Please don't say yes, because I really don't want to explain it anyway. When I say, does anybody understand that, I mean, does anybody understand that? I'll slow down and explain it, and we won't think anything of you other than you want to learn. Correct? If you already know everything, you shouldn't be here. You're only here because you don't know everything, correct? So by saying you don't understand something, isn't that normal? Okay, so don't be shy and bashful in my class. Is that clear? Yuki, you all right with that? Excellent. Okay, now, so 5. 5 says B minus A. Am I in camera there? Excellent.
Yeah.
B minus A. What's B minus A? B minus A. 1. End of part 1. Goodbye.